Hello fellow crocheters, it's Janet from crochetpatternsforbeginners.com and Barb's Daughter Designs on Etsy. Thank you so much for purchasing our Flannery sleep sack. And what I'm going to do here is just give a little video, just a technique video on how to install the zipper. I don't want anybody to be afraid of this. It's very simple to do. It's not hard at all. In the pattern you have a 16-inch zipper, and that's what you need. And I have a gray because I have chosen the two colors that are listed in the pattern. If you've done different colors, then just go ahead and get a zipper that matches your colors of yarn, but get it in a 16-inch because the pattern, that's the size that fits it best. Now I've got one side pinned here, and I just wanted to show you that so that you won't see it when it's completely pinned, and we'll talk about doing that in a second. But all you do is just pin the zipper, line it up here, see? I've got it right at the top, right where it goes, and then pin it like this all the way down. There you've got the end of it right there. So it's just all pinned on one side. Then what I do when I'm doing a zipper, if I have a situation like this where there's two colors, or you just want to make sure that it's really centered, and also you want to line this line up right here. So what you should do is get your straight pin and just go ahead and pin that so that it's lined up with the color block with the change right there. And then just pin from there, pin the rest of it down on this side and sew it. And you'll see here that your 2 rows of half double crochet, which the pattern calls for, actually really do form a very nice zipper casing. If you purchased a zipper pull and you're familiar with that, just follow directions on your zipper pull and you can add that as well. Don't add that though until you get the zipper sewn in. That's the easiest way to do it. Okay, thanks again for purchasing our Flannery baby sleep sack pattern, and that's how you put in your zipper. Have a great day and happy crocheting.